Welcome back to Brisbane Property Uncovered. I'm Mac Loxton from Moneycrest Manly. I keep property, finance and big economic headlines simple, so you can make smarter decisions without needing an economics degree or 3 coffees. Today we're talking interest rates, market volatility and something way bigger than both. Are you actually watching what's happening with wealth in this country? Everyone's obsessed with rates, but missing the point. Right now, everyone's got a prediction. Rate cut, rate hike, hold, crash, boom. It's like reading horoscopes. And here's my call. I think the RBA today holds. I think they hold in March. And I think they wait for more data because the RBA isn't emotional. They're boring on purpose. Their job is stability. And when the world economy is fragile, markets are jumping around and confidence matters. They don't panic, they wait. Yes, inflation has been sticky, but context matters. The Christmas quarter always boosts spending, prices, employment, demand, retail, hospitality, logistics, construction, so unemployment stabilises. Wages move, inflation ticks up. That doesn't mean the economy is overheating, it means it was December. The RBA knows that. They'll want more clean data before reacting. Now, full honesty, I actually enjoy this stuff. I like reading RBA statements, I like following global markets, I like comparing lender policies, I like watching rate movements. I know, exciting life. But the point is, you don't have to. That's my job. I do the homework, you get the shortcut. Just the other day, I secured a deal for a client. Lower rate, more cash out, better structure. We shaved about 0.4% off their rate. On a $1 million loan, that's about $4,000 a year, around $330 per month every year. And in their case, the savings were so strong that the cash out portion was basically costing them nothing. That's not luck, that's structure, that's review. That's why you don't set and forget finance. Why waiting for rates is usually a trap. People keep saying, I'll wait for rates to drop. Meanwhile, prices move. Opportunities disappear. Lending tightens. By the time rates change, the market has already adjusted. Smart investors don't wait, they optimize now. So let's zoom out. When the share market gets volatile, where does money usually go? Property. When confidence drops, people want something tangible, something familiar, something stable. And historically, that's property. So ask yourself, if you had a crystal ball right now, where do you think it's pointing? Shares, cash, or property? You decide. The wealth transfer no one explains, but everyone talks about the great wealth transfer from boomers. But most people don't understand how it actually happens. Here's my theory. It happens through inflation and property, and it's happened before. Late 70s, early 80s, in less than 10 years, property prices went 6 times, 8 times, even 10 times. People said it was impossible. It wasn't. Who holds what today? Let's look at today. Boomers own property, cash, super, low debt. Younger generations have jobs, high debt, mortgages, leverage, and now inflation. Wage rise, asset rise, debts stay the same. So debt gets cheaper over time, easier to service, and lighter. So boomers aren't working forever. At some point, they need income. They need liquidity. They need care. They need lifestyle funding. So they sell. And who buys? The working generation, with higher wages, with serviceable debt, with leverage. That is the wealth shift. Not luck, not gifts, structure. So what's this mean for you? So when you hear markets shaky, rates uncertain, economy's fragile, don't just feel fear. Ask, where does money go in this environment? Who benefits from inflation? Who loses by sitting still? And where am I positioned? Here is your cherry. Inflation rewards assets. Time rewards investors. Debt gets cheaper. Cash gets weaker. History doesn't repeat, but it certainly rhymes. You don't build wealth by guessing rates. You build it with good assets, good structure, good advice, and time. If you want help translating headlines into strategy, that's what I do. I'm Mac Loxton from MoneyQuest Manly. This is Brisbane Property Uncovered. See you next time.